Hi everyone, today we're going to be doing a tutorial on how to use the can opener on an official Swiss Army knife. I've been obsessed with Swiss Army knives for almost 2 weeks now. I've Googled pretty much every single model there is. This one's called Huntsman model. Huntsman, I got it in black because red was not going to come in time. It's got a lot of cool stuff. Big knife. Ooh, smaller knife. That's so cool. And a lot of other stuff too. Yeah, oh, that is sharp. These are sharp, in case you're wondering. So today we're gonna be learning how to use the can opener on a Swiss Army knife. I got my can of beans here, classic beans, Heinz. And what we're gonna do is we're just gonna open up that can opener function. Looks like that. And as you can see, every can opener has a little screwdriver on top. That's so cool. And yeah, you just puncture it. See that? And you're just gonna do that about 115 times around the whole edge of the can, and then we'll be able to eating beans in no time. Try the other side if that's giving you difficulties. There we go. Yeah, it's coming along. And so what you're gonna wanna do for just the last bit there is just get a real can opener to just kind of finish off the end there. And the edges of the can will be very sharp, so be careful about that. So there you have it, folks. Can is open. We're ready to go. Thanks to the Swiss Army knife can opener. So if you're camping, and this is all you need. I hope you enjoyed that. This is follow for more knife tutorials, daily knife tutorials every day. I'll teach you about how to use Swiss Army knife.